Namaste, welcome back to Sthitapragna channel, and you are watching AWS Cloud Projects for Beginner to Expert, and we are almost at the end. There are three more projects to go, and this project, which is project number 91, is going to be about text to speech. So in the previous project we have done text from documents, and this is going to be text to speech. So how to convert text into speech, this project is going to be that, and we are going to see a service that is going to convert text to speech using machine learning. All right, let's go ahead and find the use case here. Hey, thank you for stopping by. I am the head librarian and could really use your help. Sure, no problem. How can I be of service? We have started a new initiative to make our classic poetry collection available as audio files. Great idea. Is the content that you want to convert already in a digital text format? Some poems are digital text, some are printed book pages. Okay, I think we can use Amazon Polly to synthesize the text to speech and then save the poems as audio files. What is Amazon Polly? Polly is a service that turns text into lifelike speech so that you can create applications that talk and build entirely new categories of speech enabled products. Wow, that sounds great. Is Polly complicated to use? It's very user friendly. You log into Amazon Polly service, choose the language, voice, and text that you want to synthesize, and press listen. Try it out. Polly sounds very useful, but we have a large collection to convert. Can it be automated? Absolutely. With the Amazon Polly API, you can automate text-to-speech synthesis by using popular programming languages. None of the librarians know how to program. Is that going to be a problem? Not at all. I will create a proof of concept and integrate Polly with S3 and Lambda. The only thing your team will need to do is upload text files to S3 bucket. Will you help us convert our most popular content to audio files? Of course. Yeah, I think this is going to be similar to the previous one. What was that service we used to document extract? And this is going to be Polly, and there are a couple of other services which will be similar. We'll explore Polly text-to-speech service, then we'll use Polly to synthesize text-to-speech, then we'll explore its API, and then we'll use Lambda S3 to automate. So let's click start. All right, let's look at our video concepts, and it's going to be S3, Polly, and Lambda. Watch these videos if you haven't already watched. These videos are available in the playlist that will pop here. Click on it, go search with this title, and watch all the videos, then come back and watch the rest of the project. Okay, let's go back. Here's our architecture diagram for this project. This solution converts text into audio files by using Polly, a cloud service that converts text into lifelike speech. A user uploads a text file into the input folder of an S3 bucket. The S3 bucket can be configured with S3 event notifications that invoke an AWS Lambda function whenever a text file is uploaded. The Lambda function calls the Amazon Polly API to synthesize the provided text into a high-quality speech audio stream. Polly processes the request from Lambda function and returns the audio file. The Lambda function saves the synthesized audio file into output folder of the S3 bucket. Polly provides a portfolio of languages and a variety of voices. When launching a speech synthesis task, you specify the voice and language to use for the conversion. Okay, let's look at it. Synthesize a text-to-speech sample by using Polly. Configure Lambda and S3 to interact with Amazon Polly to synthesize. Update the Lambda code to convert text-to-speech in a British English voice and upload the sample text file again. Validate the Polly response file contains the updated language code and voice ID in the text-to-speech synthesis details. All right, let's go ahead and click practice. Let's start the lab. These are going to be small, I know. So let's hit next. We already downloaded the file. Let's go to Polly, try Polly, then engine neural or standard, review, English US, John or female. You can select anything you want, and you can enter whatever you want. Hi, my name is John. I will read any text you type here. Okay, turn on SSML. I think if you have text, you can use Polly to generate speech from either plain text or from documents marked up with speech synthesis markup language. All right. Then there are a couple of options: speech like file format settings, customize pronunciation, sample rate, file format. I think pretty much that's it. Let's go to S3, open the bucket, create a folder, import, create it, lambda, click on it, it's already created, which calls the Poly API. And yeah, we can see here this looks similar to our previous one where we are triggering extract, and here we are hard coding the values. Language code we want US, voice ID we want IV, and if we scroll down we can go through the script when we actually then deploy, add trigger, S3 event. We already did this in the previous project as well. Input.txt, acknowledge, you can cross check it, input, upload the file that they provided us. Okay, close it, go there, it should upload the mp3 file. We can open, download it, and you can see the response as well. It is going to give both of them, and the response looks like this. It is a success, as you can see 200, and you can see the voice ID which is IV US format, and output is mp3. And I think that's about it. This is straightforward. I think even the next two projects are going to be similar to this one. I think they're just introducing us to these tools. Okay, let's go Amazon Poly. Let's create folder, input, created. I think pretty much that's it. Let's go Poly. Right. I don't know if you will be able to hear it. System sounds. I don't know if I turned them on or off. Yeah, she just read it. I don't think. Okay, there is another one long form. I don't want to play with them, but you guys can. That's about this one. We can download it if you want. We can save to S3, but that's fine. I think this many online, some of them free are available in order to convert text to speech. Actually, I already tried something like this, the AI. If you go into the Amazon developer certification series, I think two videos I recorded with using AI voice. There are plenty of online tools that are available similar to Poly. All right, let's go to this function and let's configure it. It's already set to 5 minutes, so that's fine. Let's go to code. And in the code, we don't have to hard code anything because AS3 event is going to trigger this. So if you look at this, we are logging the event, which is the input. So when an S3 event triggers this one, it provides the S3 bucket and the uh, prefix or the object key, and that is what we are storing in these two variables, and we are looping through all the records that we are getting. If there are multiple uh, files, then each one we are looping, and we are splitting to get the file name, because that object key will have entire path, and at the end you will have the file name. Then we are creating a local file so that we can store our audio file with the same name. Then we are calling the poly client API. Okay, we have to give our voice code, whichever ones you want. I will just go with IB, whatever they gave, it doesn't matter. And voice ID, read the file and convert to string. Okay. What did they give? Is it 5000 or something that they give? I don't want to go and Google it and find out. Okay, what is it? IV voice ID. Okay, I think they changed it. Now I have to give the voice ID. And what did they ask? Oh, language code is this one. Did did they not ask language code? Oh, this is the language code. Never mind. Cut, paste. I think pretty much that's it. And then we are opening the file. Remember, similar to the previous project. And we are starting start speech synthesis task. Engine is neural. Output MP3. Bucket is that. Text line. Text type art. Voice ID is that. And then task ID response, you are getting the response task ID storing it, that task status you are getting it that, and the output file name you are saying something like this. Return result, it will print the file name and the task status if there are any errors, that one. And then we are uploading these two to the S3 bucket. So let's deploy this because we made two changes. We are not going to test it from here. Instead, we want S3 to trigger it. So let's go ahead, create an event. S3 bucket is that one, and we don't want all of them, only put, and this is going to be input, and this is going to be .txt. Let's click acknowledge, add it. Okay, I think pretty much that's about it. Now if I go to the S3 bucket, let's upload the file that I downloaded in the beginning of the video. Alright, that's the text file. Let's upload it. As soon as you upload it, you know what happens. It will go and it will trigger it, trigger the lambda. Let's give it a minute. Okay, I'm not sure if it takes this long. Okay, no, that is not happening. So let's go and see if the event is configured properly or not, or what is going on. Put input.txt lambda. Okay, that's going fine. Okay, that's fine. Let's go to lambda and let's click on monitor. Let's go to CloudWatch logs. If it is enabled, you will see the log and it will tell you if there is something wrong. Sometimes it might be missing some input or etc. Okay, they are not logging it. Awesome. Or maybe it's not even triggered. Let's go here. Edit. Are we missing the slash? Yeah, we cannot put that. What? Cannot have overlapping prefixes. Two rules. I'm trying to edit the same one. What two rules? So I don't see a problem with this. Okay, let's do something. Did they give an example? No. In the last example, they did give us. Okay, let's try this. I think in the sample it should have it. S3 put. Okay, we don't want all of this. Okay. Records. Okay, I don't want to try this. Let's see what's going on. I don't know. .txt, we uploaded it. Then what else? I'm very sure this is not getting triggered. Okay, give me a minute. I think it might be because of the slash. So let's delete this one. So let's delete this one since it's not letting me add that. So let's go add S3. Put. Yeah, there is a slash. See that? I think I missed that one. .txt. Acknowledge, add it. Okay, let's go and upload it. Upload. This time it should, yeah, output, and I think it's still doing it, so let's wait for it. All right, there we have our S3 file, and if we download this and if you open it, okay, you can see here's the response 200 we got it, which is good. And even we don't had the mp3 file, you won't hear even if I play it, so I'm not going to do that. So that's basics. That's about the practice lab. And DIY, they want us to update British English voice, and they want to upload the text file again, and they want us to give the bucket name. So let's go ahead and give them the bucket so that they'll get that file, I guess. Let's go ahead, and I think even if you don't delete, that's fine, it will overwrite it. Let's delete this one. Okay, let's delete it, close it. Let's go here, import, let's delete it because we are going to upload that again. Let's delete it. All right, let's close this one. Let's go here, and we want to change this to what? British English. British English, I'm assuming it should be UK. I don't know. So what I will do is I will go here, I'll go there, CloudWatch, paste that, go there. Okay, we are looking for English British or GB. Got it. I think that's the only difference. Deploy, go here, upload. Let's upload the file again. All right, click upload, close it, go here, go to output. I think this should get updated to this tab, and we have the file. And if I download this again, and this should show 200 as well as you can see in English. So let's go ahead, let's submit it to this one. I hope that will be a straightforward. If this shows orange, then I will be like, seriously? I think they check the response file, and in the response file they will try to look at, okay, oh, okay, so I had that doubt, but I was like, okay, only these people. Is it Emma Watson? That would be awesome. Okay, well, they didn't tell us that. Deploy. That's okay. We can fix it. Yeah, I think they are only going to check the response file, I guess, because the response file you will only have it once, right? Delete. Let's go back, import, upload it. Okay, let's upload. Yeah, but even that, I did that mistake. Okay. Is it not running or what's going on? Did something happen? Did she not exist, Emma? Okay, let's go refresh. Okay, that's not good. So let's hope at least there is a cloud watches now. Okay, we have it. Let's open it. Okay, I see it, sample file. Okay, that's the text in the file. That's it. Hold on a minute. What happened? Sample file txt. That's what I uploaded, right? Yes. So these are old. 55, 54. I think it's 24, right? I thought he was printing things. Let's see. But these are still old ones. So let's do something. Let's copy this. Let's go here. Let's test it. Dummy format. You are not going to format? Okay, that's fine. There is an error. What? What is the error? Okay, there is still some error with it. What would that be? I'm just trying to see what might have caused this to not. Didn't the, didn't that just run it? Why am I getting this error? Okay, it's 13, 14, 14, 15 and 54. Okay, oh sorry, never mind. That's second. Oh, I don't know why am I looking at the wrong one? Okay, this is fine. This is the old one. Where is the new one? It didn't even get triggered? Okay, it didn't even get triggered. Why? I put it here, right? See, it didn't trigger at this time at all. Why not? Maybe it's not deployed by that time. Okay, I tried to do that, but for some reason it is not. You know what? If I would have to change, what would I have to change? I need to change a lot of things. Okay, I need to change all this. I think this is easier. Even a simple thing, I'm unable to do it. Okay. One more time. I just assume that it didn't get triggered at that point in time. Okay, it's not triggering again. Is there a logic in here? I mean, this should execute, right? At least if it is triggering it, at least this should give me something. It's not even triggering. 1821, that's it. Why? I didn't change anything here. This is still looking inside that for a text file, which is what I am putting. So why is it not triggering it? I don't know. Let me delete this. Maybe if there is an input, it won't. Sorry, if there is an output directory, it won't. Okay, that's not it as well. Seriously, what the only change I did in this was replaced, yeah, replaced voice ID with this one. So why is this not getting triggered at all? Is it the single quotes? Oh my God. Okay, how about this? Seriously, that's what is causing all this drama. Yep, that's what is causing all the drama. Okay, let's see what is going on here. Okay, this doesn't. Okay, it ran it. But what happened from here? That's weird. Okay, we have it. Now let's go ahead and submit it. For some reason, that event was not working for me. I don't know. Okay, at least this time give me. I thought I'm going to finish this project in record time, but as usual, there will be something that comes up. Could not find the JSON file. Check that the Lambda function was invoked and make sure you keep the original output destination. Then try again. What? Cannot find the JSON file. Cannot find where? It's right here. Oh, what is going on? Um, okay. What just happened? Okay. Okay. Is this deleting it? So it wants the invocation to create it, not by manually running it. Is that it? But for some reason, this thing is not invoking it. I don't know why. It's just basics. If I go, let's say, properties, not here, properties, put input slash dot star dot txt, trigger that function. As simple as that. Now I am in input slash. I didn't change anything this directory, right? I'm adding the file again, sample.txt. You see that, right? Okay, click upload. All right. Now let's go back. It's not triggering it. It's not triggering this one at all. Why? God knows why. All right. Something weird. Okay, that's fine. Delete, delete. Even this project, they are not letting me finish faster. Okay, let me upload this one more time. All right, one more time. Upload. Still nothing. It's not. See, the thing is, if it trigger lambda and it failed, makes sense, but it is not even triggering it. Make sure you keep the original output destination. What do you mean by original output destination? I don't see an output. And if I'm generating it from here, it is not taking it. What do you think? Okay, hold on. It's disabled. I don't think I will have access to enable it. Yeah, there is only this one. And it's not from latest. Okay, what can I do in this situation? I cannot even go and check the log for this one. What is causing it? It's not even triggering it. It's not about, I can go back and change this to US and that, but it is not even triggering this. Yeah, it is not receiving. If I run this, it will run successfully without a problem, but this this thing is not accepting it. My only question, okay, what if, let me change the file name and try to do this. Upload. Let's see if this does anything. Yeah, I think it's something to do with the file name. That's weird. Maybe S3 is thinking it's already created it for that file. Something. Yeah, you see that? I uploaded with a different file name and then it worked. Hmm. Anyways, it wasted my time, but that's fine. I think pretty much that's about it about Poly. So let's go ahead and answer some questions. Quiz time. I don't know what questions they will ask for Poly, but last time I did very bad with Textract, so I don't know how I will be. Okay, let's go ahead and collect it. Everybody loved the proof of concept. Very nice. Welcome. Select it, collect it. All right, fireworks. What is this? That looks scary. It's cat. Okay, let's do this quiz quickly. Let's see, I don't know. I will see if they are going to ask us any questions related to poly or not. If not, I guess I will cut that out. Cut that part out. Yeah, they are asking which audio stream formats does poly support? We didn't check everything. So this definitely, I don't know. Maybe this and one of this. I never heard any of this. None of this, either of this. I will just select this one. Oh, it doesn't do that other one. Okay. So those three, mine wrong. I mean, if I had watched that video, I think maybe it would have. That is too far. Okay. Mm. Which aspects of speech can SSML be used to control through Amazon Poly? Okay. I didn't watch the video, so I don't know any of these answers. I think speech rate you can. I don't think volume makes sense. Pronunciation, maybe dialect. Uh, this doesn't talk about SAML. Okay. Uh, so that's fine. Let's go to features. If we go to features, if we look at this one, I think we can loudness using loudness. Okay, I think that is what one. I think I went wrong. I can whisper, speech rate, pitch, loudness, style. So pitch, is it volume pitch? How about normal English? Hmm. It's okay. If that is wrong, that is wrong. Yeah, it is wrong. Which type of system does Poly have that can produce even higher quality voices than its standard voices? Ah, type of system? I have no clue. Let's select that. I felt like I saw TTS somewhere. All right, 1 out of 3, just like last project. I hope at least you all are doing good. 1 out of 3. All right, which Amazon Poly API should be used to synthesize a large amount of text? Okay, I think these are all API. They taught us, it's like in school. The teacher, explains the easy one, and then in the exam we end up seeing something that's not even related to the whatever they thought. Anyways, large amount of text. Okay, I don't know. Seriously, at least we didn't see. I think we have to watch the video. Synthesize speech, is that what? I don't know. I will just select whatever I did, and it is wrong. So the last one, lexicons provide additional control over how Amazon Poly pronounces words not common to the selected language. I'll just select true. No idea. Okay, just like last time, 2 out of 3. This is very bad because I didn't watch the video, I didn't read the documentation. That makes sense. Anyways, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and all that awesome stuff. See you in the next video. Peace out.